How to disable people you may know suggestions on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to disable people you may know suggestions on Facebook. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. So if not, then please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So updating your Facebook app is important so that you may have the feature that I will be teaching you. So, assuming now that you have updated your Facebook app, you may now open it. Once you're in the Facebook app, go to your menu found on the lower right corner of the screen if you're using iOS or on the upper right corner if you're using Android. And then scroll down to the bottom and look for Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings and then scroll down until you can see Notifications under the Preferences section. Click on Notifications. Scroll down once again and look for people you may know. So you may see the people you may know option under the friend requests and on top of birthdays. So now click on people you may know, wait for it to load, and make sure to click on the toggle button on the rightmost part of allow notifications on Facebook. So click on it, click on turn off, and then the toggle button now should turn into green, I mean gray, and not blue. And also, the settings below it will disappear. So that's it. That's how you can disable people you may know suggestions on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.